Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see me go from this to this, then please just keep on watching. And make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel and make sure you hit that bell so that you don't miss another upload. So we're gonna just jump right into it. So I'm gonna be using the face mist from App2Care. And I actually received this in my Ipsy bag from when I went to New York. They actually gave me a ton of products. I got this face primer from The Balm. Really love this. It actually made my face feel pretty soft, which I didn't expect. So it was a pleasant surprise. So here I'm just jumping in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. This is in the shade Nairobi. Literally love this foundation. I feel like it's very full coverage, and I really like the fact that it's almost creamy, if anything. If you watch my previous videos and you know how much I love the Myrick, and you know how much I love LA Girl Pro concealers, I'm just one of those creatures of habit. So if I like something, I'm just going to keep on using it until I find something that is good enough to replace it. So I'm just going to add a lighter shade here, just focusing that right under the eyes. And again, if you guys want an in-depth tutorial about how I do my makeup, please make sure you guys check out my soft glam tutorial that I uploaded. It's very detailed. So here's my favorite part, just warming up my face, carving out my cheekbones using the Anahya contour kit. And I'm just going to undercut that contour with that same banana bread powder from Huda Beauty. So we're going to jump right into eyes using the Kylie Cosmetics Holiday Palette from 2016. I decided that I really want to keep this very soft and kind of true to something that I would actually wear, but just kind of kicked up, a little more glam. So as you can see here, I'm not putting any transition color in my crease. I'm just jumping right into the shimmer shades on the lid, using a darker shimmer shade to create some dimension here. And then I'm just going to take a clean brush with no product on it and just blend out those edges. So with my pencil brush, I am taking the matte cream shade in the palette. I really love how these matte cream shades look whenever I do kind of like a champagne bronzy type of look. It really just gives it more of a pop than putting another shimmer shade in there. So now we're going to go ahead and smoke everything out with our Maybelline gel liner. This is in the shade Blackest Black, and I'm just using a very small angled brush from Moda. And make sure when you're doing this that you're putting it in your waterline, but you're also putting a little bit of the product on your lower lash line, because we are going to take our pencil brush and we're going to smudge this out. So you want to make sure you have some product there so that it can get nice and dark, nice and smoky. I really could have did a little bit more black in this because I feel like the green was a nice touch, but if I really wanted to make it like super high glam, I definitely should add a little bit more black, but it's okay. As you guys can see, I am struggling trying to show you guys how I'm doing this without having my face too low. Recording videos is really a talent. And I really commend all YouTubers. Like, I have a whole different respect for you guys. So just like that, the eyes are done. And I am just going to jump in with my Fit Me Loose powder. And I'm just going to add like a nice little layer under my eyes. This is in the shade Medium. I've really been enjoying doing that with myself and even on my clients. I just really feel like it adds like that extra layer of coverage that kind of gives like an extra like zhuzh, you know, like brightness under the eye. I love it. So here I'm just reinforcing my contour again. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, I do have my super detailed soft glam video that I will link down below. So now we're just going to jump into highlighter. Again, love the Bar of Gold highlighter palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It is a little bit more on the expensive side, but I will say that I think it's worth every penny. And if you're a makeup artist, you can pretty much use this palette on any skin tone. It's so beautiful. I pretty much mix all of them together, but all of the colors are really pretty and very vibrant. So for lips, I'm just going to use my MAC Chestnut lip liner and my favorite matte lip ever. That is from Maybelline Lip Stain in the shade Driver. And I just wanted to have a really nice muted nude lip, so that's why you see me using the leftover from my foundation brush to kind of make it more skin tony. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any comments, let me know how you guys feel about the format of this video, if you guys like voiceovers. Yeah, so make sure that you guys subscribe, and love you guys. See you next time.